Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and discuss the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you green thumbs out there. We're talking about the absolute best in Olla gardening solutions, the Smarta Living Ollas. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why these Smarta Living Ollas are making waves in the gardening community. These terracotta plant watering globes are not your ordinary garden accessories.
No, sir.
They're the epitome of innovation and efficiency when it comes to keeping your beloved plants hydrated and thriving.
Let's talk about what sets these Ollas apart from the rest.
Firstly, they boast an extra-large reservoir bulb that can sustain even the thirstiest of plants for up to 4 weeks. That means less time spent worrying about watering and more time enjoying your lush green oasis. Imagine coming back from a relaxing vacation to find your plants looking fresher than ever, all thanks to these little marvels. It's like having a dedicated plant sitter that never takes a day off.
Impressive, right?
It's clear that these Ollas are a game-changer for plant lovers everywhere.
And can we take a moment to appreciate their sleek and low-profile design? Unlike bulky watering systems that stick out like a sore thumb, these Ollas blend seamlessly into your garden landscape. Plus, the natural terracotta clay gives them an earthy charm that's hard to resist. Now, let's talk versatility.
Whether you have hanging plants, potted herbs, or sprawling gardens, these Ollas have got you covered. They're suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making them a must-have for any gardening enthusiast. And here's the best part: they're incredibly easy to use.
No complicated setup or maintenance required.
Simply insert the Ollas into the soil, fill them up from the top, and let them work their magic. It's gardening made simple, folks.
So there you have it, folks, the Smarta Living Ollas. The ultimate solution for hassle-free plant care and maintenance.
If you're tired of constantly fussing over your plants, it's time to make the switch to Olla gardening.
Trust me, your plants will thank you for it. Well, that's all for today's episode of Product Critique.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!